The Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres opened its doors in January 2025, bringing a fresh five-star resort experience to Mexico's stunning Caribbean coastline. With 670 rooms spread across its beachfront property, this Palladium Hotel Group Edition aims to deliver the all-inclusive luxury that travelers expect from a modern resort. Located along the pristine Costa Mujeres Strip, about 30 minutes from Cancun International Airport, the resort positions itself as a convenient escape for both families and couples seeking sun-soaked relaxation. The property sits near the town of Cancun, with easy access to the region's famous Mayan archaeological sites and vibrant cultural attractions. From the moment guests arrive, the scale of this resort becomes immediately apparent, with multiple buildings housing the extensive room inventory and facilities designed to accommodate hundreds of guests simultaneously. When it comes to accommodations, the Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres offers a variety of room configurations designed to suit different traveler needs. The 670 rooms include options ranging from standard guest rooms to more spacious suites, many featuring views of either the turquoise Caribbean Sea or the resort's lush tropical gardens. Room amenities typically include modern conveniences that guests expect from a five-star property, with air conditioning, flat-screen televisions, and private balconies or terraces being standard features across most categories. The decor leans toward contemporary tropical styling, with light colors and natural materials creating a relaxed vacation atmosphere. Families will find rooms configured with additional sleeping space, while couples might prefer the more intimate settings offered in certain room categories. The resort's check-in time starts at 3 in the afternoon, and checkout is at noon, giving guests a full day to enjoy the facilities on both arrival and departure days. The layout of the rooms emphasizes comfort and functionality, with bathrooms featuring modern fixtures and shower facilities. Many rooms come equipped with mini bars and coffee-making facilities, allowing guests to enjoy refreshments without leaving their accommodations. The balconies and terraces serve as private outdoor spaces where guests can start their mornings with coffee or wind down in the evenings with views of the sunset. Housekeeping maintains the rooms daily, ensuring that guests return to clean, well-stocked spaces after spending their days exploring the resort or nearby attractions. For those with accessibility needs or specific family requirements, the resort offers adapted room options, though the specific features of these accommodations vary. The overall room experience aims to provide a comfortable base from which guests can enjoy everything the resort has to offer, with enough space to relax and recharge between activities. Dining at the Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres revolves around its 8 restaurants, each offering different culinary experiences throughout the day and evening. The all-inclusive nature of the resort means guests can explore various cuisines without worrying about additional costs, moving from Italian to Asian to Mexican specialties as their appetites dictate. Breakfast buffets typically feature extensive spreads with both international and local options, from fresh tropical fruits to made-to-order egg stations. Lunch services continue the variety, with some restaurants offering buffet-style dining while others provide a la carte menus for a more relaxed midday meal. Dinner elevates the experience with theme nights and specialty restaurants that may require reservations, particularly during peak seasons when the resort reaches full capacity. The 7 bars scattered throughout the property ensure that guests never have to travel far for a refreshing beverage. Pool bars serve tropical cocktails and cold beers to swimmers and sunbathers, while lobby bars offer more sophisticated settings for evening drinks. Beach bars provide the quintessential vacation experience of sipping margaritas with toes in the sand, watching the waves roll in as the day transitions to evening. Some bars feature live music or entertainment during certain hours, creating gathering spots where guests can socialize and enjoy the resort's vibrant atmosphere. The beverage programs typically include both international spirits and local Mexican favorites, from tequila tastings to craft cocktails made with fresh ingredients. Coffee bars or cafes may also be available for those seeking espresso drinks or light snacks between meals, ensuring that refreshment options remain available throughout the day. The quality and variety of dining options can make or break an all-inclusive resort experience, and with 8 restaurants, the Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres attempts to prevent the menu fatigue that sometimes plagues extended stays. Specialty restaurants might include steakhouses, seafood venues, and authentic Mexican cantinas, each bringing distinct atmospheres and culinary approaches. Service styles vary from casual buffets where guests can sample small portions of multiple dishes, to white tablecloth restaurants where courses arrive in succession. The resort's beachfront location means seafood features prominently on many menus, with fresh catches prepared in various international styles. Vegetarian and dietary restricted guests typically find options available, though the range may vary by restaurant and should be discussed with staff upon arrival. The resort's 4 pools provide different aquatic experiences across the property, from family-friendly activity pools to quieter areas designed for relaxation. Larger pools often feature swim-up bars where guests can order drinks without leaving the water, creating that classic vacation vibe of floating with a cocktail in hand. Some pools may include shallow areas suitable for young children, while others maintain consistent depths better suited for swimming laps or water aerobics classes. The pool decks surrounding these aquatic areas are lined with loungers, though securing prime spots near the water can become competitive during busy periods when occupancy runs high. Umbrellas and palapas provide shade for those who prefer to avoid direct sun exposure, and towel service ensures guests can move between pool and beach without carrying supplies from their rooms. The beachfront location represents one of the resort's strongest assets, with direct access to the white sand and clear Caribbean waters that make this coastline famous. Beach loungers and umbrellas extend along the resort shoreline, creating designated areas where guests can claim spots for the day. The gentle slope of the beach and typically calm waters make it suitable for swimming, though conditions can vary with weather and seasons. Water sports activities are often available, ranging from kayaking and paddleboarding to snorkeling equipment for exploring the underwater world just offshore. Beach vendors may occasionally pass by, though the resort's all-inclusive nature means most guests' needs are already covered. The beach provides a natural gathering place throughout the day, from early morning walks to sunset watching, with the sound of waves creating a constant backdrop to the resort experience. The transition between pool and beach areas flows naturally, with walkways and landscaping connecting the different zones. Guests can easily move from a morning swim in the pool to an afternoon on the beach without feeling like they're navigating a complicated layout. The availability of 4 pools helps distribute guests across the property, reducing crowding at any single location. However, during peak travel periods, competition for premium loungers near both pools and beach can require early morning claims. The resort's size means that some rooms may require a longer walk to reach preferred pool or beach areas, something worth considering when selecting accommodations. Activities at the Grand Palladium select Costa Mujeres extend beyond the pools and beach, with sports facilities and fitness options available for active guests. Tennis courts provide opportunities for matches, whether casual games between friends or more organized tournaments that the resort might schedule. The fitness center offers cardio equipment and weights for those who maintain workout routines even while on vacation, typically opening early to accommodate morning exercise enthusiasts. Beach volleyball courts create social sporting opportunities, with pickup games forming throughout the day. Water aerobics classes in the pools and beach yoga sessions provide structured activities for guests who prefer guided exercise. The resort may also organize cultural activities that introduce guests to Mexican traditions, from cooking classes featuring local cuisine to craft workshops showcasing regional artistry. Entertainment programming fills the days and evenings with options beyond self-directed activities. Daytime animation teams might organize pool games, dance classes, or beach competitions designed to engage guests and create social opportunities. Evening entertainment can range from live music performances to theatrical shows, giving guests reasons to gather in common areas after dinner. The scale of the resort supports more elaborate productions than smaller properties could manage, potentially including acrobatic performances or themed parties. Sports enthusiasts might find organized activities like water polo tournaments or beach soccer matches, while those preferring quieter pursuits can opt out without feeling pressured to participate. The variety of activities aims to appeal to different age groups and energy levels, from high-intensity sports to gentle stretching classes. The spa and wellness facilities provide retreats for guests seeking relaxation and rejuvenation during their stay. Treatment menus typically include massages ranging from Swedish to deep tissue, along with facials and body treatments using both international techniques and local ingredients. The spa environment creates a tranquil contrast to the resort's more energetic pool and beach areas, with soft music and aromatherapy establishing a calming atmosphere. Sauna and steam room facilities allow guests to detoxify and unwind, particularly welcome after days spent in the sun and salt water. Some wellness programs might include yoga classes held in dedicated studios or outdoor settings, offering both beginner-friendly sessions and more advanced practices. Hydrotherapy circuits, if available, provide sequences of hot and cold water treatments designed to stimulate circulation and promote relaxation. Spa services generally require advance booking and come with additional charges beyond the all-inclusive package, though some resorts include basic facilities like saunas in the standard offering. Couples treatments allow partners to enjoy massages side by side in dedicated rooms, creating shared relaxation experiences. The spa staff typically includes trained therapists who can recommend treatments based on individual needs, from sports massages for active guests to gentler options for those simply seeking stress relief. Beauty services like manicures, pedicures, and hair treatments may also be available, allowing guests to maintain grooming routines or indulge in vacation pampering. The wellness philosophy often extends beyond the spa itself, with healthy menu options in restaurants and fitness classes complementing the treatment offerings. Kids clubs and dedicated children's activities make the Grand Palladium select Costa Mujeres a family-friendly destination rather than an adults-only retreat. Supervised programs allow parents to enjoy adult time while children participate in age-appropriate activities with trained staff. The clubs typically divide children into age groups, ensuring that toddlers aren't mixed with teenagers and that activities match developmental stages. Younger children might enjoy arts and crafts, storytelling, and simple games, while older kids could participate in sports tournaments, scavenger hunts, and technology-based activities. Outdoor play areas with playground equipment provide spaces for physical activity, and some programs include educational components about local ecology or Mexican culture. Teen programs recognize that older children have different interests than younger siblings, offering activities like beach parties, sports competitions, and social events designed for adolescent engagement. The kids' club facilities often include dedicated spaces with toys, games, and entertainment systems, creating environments where children feel they have their own vacation experience. Evening programming might include family-friendly shows or movie nights, giving parents and children shared entertainment options. The availability of childcare services, whether through the kids' club or additional babysitting options, allows parents to enjoy romantic dinners or spa visits. However, the quality and engagement level of kids' programming can vary significantly based on staffing and season, with some guests reporting excellent experiences while others find the offerings basic. The Costa Mujeres location places guests about 30 to 35 minutes from Cancun International Airport, making arrival and departure relatively convenient. The nearby town of Cancun offers shopping, dining, and nightlife for those wanting to venture beyond the resort's all-inclusive bubble. The region's ancient Mayan archaeological sites represent significant cultural attractions, with ruins like Chichen Itza and Cholum within reasonable driving distance for day trips. Isla Mujeres, the island that gives the area its name, sits just offshore and can be reached by ferry for snorkeling, shopping, and exploring a different coastal environment. Cancun's hotel zone provides additional entertainment options, from nightclubs to restaurants to shopping centers, all accessible via taxi or organized tour. The Riviera Maya coastline extends both north and south from the resort's location, offering numerous excursion possibilities. Cenotes, the natural sinkholes filled with fresh water that dot the Yucatan Peninsula, provide unique swimming and diving experiences in stunning geological formations. Eco-parks like Xcaret and Zelha combine natural beauty with cultural performances and adventure activities, creating full-day experiences for families. The proximity to these attractions means guests can balance resort relaxation with cultural exploration, though organized tours typically require additional costs beyond the all-inclusive package. The resort's concierge can arrange transportation and tickets, making it relatively easy to plan off-property adventures. Overall, the Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres delivers a large-scale all-inclusive resort experience, with the strengths and weaknesses that come with that model. The extensive facilities, including 8 restaurants, 7 bars, and 4 pools, provide variety and options that prevent the monotony that can affect smaller properties. The beachfront location offers genuine Caribbean beauty, with white sand and clear water creating the postcard-perfect setting that draws travelers to this region. The January 2025 opening means facilities remain new and fresh, without the wear that affects older resorts. However, with 670 rooms, the property can feel crowded during peak periods, and competition for prime loungers, restaurant reservations, and popular activities becomes inevitable. Guest reviews show mixed experiences, with over 12,000 TripAdvisor reviews suggesting high visitation but also some dissatisfaction, including warnings to avoid the property from certain travelers. The all-inclusive model means budget predictability, with most food, drinks, and activities included in the upfront cost, though premium services like spa treatments and certain excursions require additional payment. The resort size supports amenities that smaller properties cannot offer, including the convention center and extensive entertainment programming. Service quality can vary with such a large operation, and some guests may find the experience feels more institutional than intimate. The family-friendly approach means the property buzzes with energy and activity, which delights some guests while overwhelming others seeking tranquil escapes. The resort works best for travelers who enjoy structured activities, social atmospheres, and the convenience of having everything in one location. What makes the Grand Palladium Select Costa Mujeres stand out is its combination of newness, scale, and location within the Palladium Hotel Group's portfolio. Being part of the Select Collection positions it as a premium offering within the brand, suggesting higher standards than entry-level properties. The 4 pools provide more aquatic variety than many competing resorts, allowing guests to find their preferred swimming environment. The 8 restaurants represent a significant dining commitment, offering more culinary diversity than resorts with fewer venues. The convention center with theater-style seating for up to 890 people makes this property suitable for large groups, destination weddings, and corporate events, not just individual leisure travelers. The Costa Mujeres location itself represents a newer development area, potentially offering a less crowded alternative to the heavily developed Cancun hotel zone while maintaining easy airport access. The resort's event and conference facilities include a ballroom that can accommodate up to 890 people in theater-style seating, making it a viable venue for destination weddings, corporate retreats, and large group gatherings. The convention center supports various event configurations beyond theater seating, allowing for banquet setups, classroom arrangements, and exhibition formats. Audiovisual equipment and technical support help meeting planners execute professional events, while the resort's all-inclusive nature simplifies catering and accommodation logistics for group organizers. The beachfront setting provides attractive backdrops for wedding ceremonies and receptions, with outdoor spaces complementing indoor facilities. Guest experience highlights often center on specific service moments that elevate a stay from satisfactory to memorable. At large resorts like the Grand Palladium select Costa Mujeres, these moments might include bartenders who remember drink preferences, restaurant staff who accommodate dietary needs with creativity and care, or animation teams who create genuine connections with returning guests. The beachfront sunrises offer natural highlights, with early risers rewarded by spectacular light shows over the Caribbean. Successful navigation of the resort's size and offerings often depends on guest initiative in making reservations, claiming preferred spots, and engaging with available activities. The newness of the property means guests experience facilities without the dated feel that affects older resorts, from fresh paint to modern fixtures. However, with any resort of this scale, experiences vary significantly based on room location, travel timing, and individual expectations, creating the range of opinions reflected in the thousands of guest reviews. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up. Subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.